Hi guys, welcome back to Car Crackers and another episode of the perfect car to drive today. So today it's pretty, it looks bright, but that's because I've got a white wall next to me. But it's actually quite miserable and a bit sort of dull out there. But I would call it not miserable and dull, but nasty and evil. Evil! So, so I would say it's got to be a car that can match and sort of stand up to the evilness of the exterior weather. So what car will it be? It's got to be a hardtop. It's got to be something with a stonking, massive big V8, which that might give it away a little bit. It's got to be something rear-wheel drive, even though that's going against my normal wet weather sort of condition thing. I'd say that's fine. That's fine. It's nastier to be rear-wheel drive. So it's got to be something with 517 horsepower, 457 foot-pounds of torque in a nasty, evil sort of shell. Great big rear wing, great big front splitter, nose canards. I would say the car I'm currently thinking of, it is from Germany again. It's from the old Germany. So I would say it's got to be a car where the V8, the 6.2, there we go, that's giving it away, it's quite easy. The 6.2 litre V8 is made by a single person all the way down the production line. So yeah, it's a Mercedes AMG. So without further ado, because it's fairly obvious, I would say the perfect car to drive today is the Mercedes C63 AMG Black Edition. Excellent. So yeah, I definitely think the C63 Black Edition is the perfect car to drive today. Like I say, an evil car for the evil wet conditions. Evil! So especially, it looks even nastier when you see it in the sort of black, the matte black paint that you could spec at the time. It looks like some evil warlord or a sort of supervillain is going to jump out, especially when you see one burning up the rear tyres. I've seen one at Goodwood doing it, and it is properly spectacular. So, yeah, I don't know quite what Mercedes were thinking when they made it. I mean, we want the car. The German car is known for the efficiency, the fuel economy. No. Actually, let's throw all of that out the bloody window and do one with no fuel efficiency. One that's trying to kill you like a modern-day TVR. That'll be the perfect car for our brand. But thank God they made it, because, I mean, it's incredible. If only my Twingo was quite as good as this, but I don't think it's quite that. So anyway, before I start talking more crap, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.